Hello teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine at home. So in this video, I am going to tell you that how you can take objective test within a time limit using Microsoft Forms. So let's start. First of all, open the Google Chrome. Here you have to fill forms.office.com. Please note it down this forms.office.com, then press enter. Then you see this window will appear. Then you click on get started. Then it will ask you to fill your Microsoft account. So here you have to fill your Microsoft account only, no else account. So I'm going to fill mine. So as I log in with my account, so you can see this is the top right corner. You can see my account detail is displayed here. So please make sure you have to log in with your Microsoft account, no else account. Okay. So from here you can verify that I log in with the correct account or not. Okay. From the top right corner. So then it display you this Microsoft form. Here it displays you the previous created forms also. Now you can create the new one also. I'm going to create the new one. So you have to click here new quiz. Then here it asks you to give the title and all that. But before that I want to tell you, you have to do some settings here, which is mandatory for this form. So you have to click on these three dots, then click on settings. Okay, then you click on setting, this window will open. Here is a certain setting you have to do. First is who can fill out this form. Anyone with the link can respond, or only the people in my organization can respond. By default the second option is already selected. You no need to do any change to this, because yes, I want the people in my organization can respond, so I don't want to do any change here, because if I click on the first one, that means anyone from outside also can respond with this link. That I don't want. So this is by default. I will not change any setting from this. Okay, then is a option for responses. Yes, accept responses. Here you are giving the time limit. So for that you have to click start date. When you click on start date, it will ask you to choose the date. When you choose the date and time, when you want to active this form, तो डेट आप यहाँ से चूज करोगे और टाइम भी इसके साथ आप चूज करोगे. ओके, so date is your choice when you want to active this form, and time is also your choice. Then is a end date. End date ki when you want to expire this form. So date might be the same because you want to expire on the same day. Time definitely it will change because you are assigning for 20 minutes, 30 minutes. That is your choice. So here you can choose your start time or end time. That is your choice. But right now I'm not going to choose because I'm making the video, otherwise it will time bound. So I want to show you the quick. But make sure when you are creating this kind of test, so you have to choose your start date and end date. Okay. So right now I'm not going to choose this. I'm making untick. Then this is the option. Customize thank you message. By default your customized messages, your response was submitted, means when user will submit the response, this message will appear on the screen. Okay, but if you want to change this, that is your choice. Say I want to keep thank you, your response has been recorded, or whatever the message you want to give while submitting the form. That is your choice. Okay, after that no need to do anything. You will not get any save option here. It is auto saved, so you have to click on these three dots. That's it. Now after this you have to give the title. Say I'm giving Delhi Public School Khanna, say periodic test 1. Say I'm giving this session also then is say computer, say grade 7th. Okay, in that way, as we normally do in our exam. So this is the head title I'm giving. Then you can add the image also. I'm going to add school logo here. Say this is school logo. So here you can see the image will appear soon. Now click on add new, then is a choice. Okay, so here your first, say my first question, so here your option, say I'm choosing true false, then is a true false. This is your my correct answer, you have to choose here. Then is a point, I want to give 1 point here. And required means mandatory to attempt. Okay, so make sure it must enable. Then is your second question, say choice. This is the second question, say which chart display the data from the circle. So I'm giving here so this is my correct option. So correct it. Then whatever the setting you do for your question 1, it automatically apply to your second question. Say the third one, then also choice. This is my correct answer. So these 3 questions I have created for this. Okay, so in that way you can create 20 questions, 10 questions as the guideline is given to you. So in that way you can create your Microsoft Forms. Now how you will post this in your meeting, that I'm going to tell you. Please listen this me carefully now. आपको करना क्या है, after creation of this form you have to click on this share option. When you click on this share option, it will ask you to copy the link. You can copy the link from here, selection करके कर सकते हो Control C, otherwise simple copy option is there. Then you click on copy, तो you can see the link is ready for your paste. That means आपका link अब copy हो चुका है. Now आपको करना क्या है, you have to paste this in the chat conversation. Means you have to copy this link. After that when you start the meeting, जब आप meeting start करोगे, when you observe that all the student has joined the meeting, after that you will paste this link in your chat box and tell your student, I'm going to paste one link in your chat box, click on this link and attempt the same within 20 minutes, because this link is valid for 20 minutes or 25 minutes. That is your choice, whatever the time you want to give to your student. Please submit your response, otherwise your response will not be recorded because the form will automatically expire. So in that way, जब user स्टूडेंट और यूजर वहां पे क्लिक करेगा, विद इन अ टाइम लिमिट जो सबमिट कर जाएगा उसका रिस्पॉन्स आपके पास आ जाएगा. सो इन दैट वे यू कैन टेक द रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ हाउ यू कैन सी द रिस्पॉन्स, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज आई हैव क्रिएटेड द फॉर्म, आपको कॉपी कर लेना है, इसको कॉपी करके फिर आप इसको चैट कन्वर्सेशन में डाल सकते हो। ओके, अगर आप चाहते हो कि सपोज यू वांट टू कॉपी दिस लिंक एंड पेस्ट इट, आप इसको कॉपी करके आप वर्ड की फाइल में भी रख सकते हो, बिकॉज मे बी यू आर क्रिएटिंग दिस वन डे बिफोर, तो इमीडिएट यू कांट, इट मीन्स इमीडिएट इफ यू डोंट वांट टू ओपन दिस, तो आप इसको पहले ही कहीं पे कॉपी करके रख लो, दैट इज योर विश। ओके, अगर इफ यू वांट टू ओपन पैरेलली, दैट इज योर चॉइस। ओके, so in that way you can copy the link. Now how you can take the response? First of all, I want to see the preview. आपको preview दिखा रहा हूँ, this how it look like. So in that way, grid lines are the part of chat components. I'm going to attempt this so that I'll show you how the response collected. Then is a say I'm going to submit. Say your response was submitted. View result. Student अपना result देख सकता है. Now how you can see that how many student has submitted the response? For that, what you need to do, आपको यहीं पे रहना है और you can open the new one tab also. Otherwise आप back करके form पे click करो यहाँ पे. You can see जब आप इसको reload करोगे, F5 से आप reload करोगे, you can see there is a one response. When you click on this one response, just click over here, just click over here, then you click on, you can see here is a response 1. तो response 1 पे मैं click करूंगा, तो you can see these are the responses. अब click on review answers. जब आप review answer करोगे, in this list box आप देखोगे here is only one submitted response, that is Talvinder Singh has submitted the response. In that way, the student those are submitted the response that comes in this list. So you can change the student name and you can record the score. Even though later on you can generate the Excel report also. Okay, open an Excel, but that you generate at the end when all the students submitted the response. You can open an Excel also. So in that way you can see the responses. So I hope how to take the objective test within a time limit is clear to you. So thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you.